Aloha, welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Michi, and today we're going to be making trio of sliders. To assemble the sliders, prep the rolls by slicing them sideways, leaving 1/4 uncut to help keep the sliders together. For the chicken pesto slider, in a small bowl, add the sliced chicken, pesto, and tomato and toss to combine. Then place a folded slice of provolone into a roll and stuff the roll with approximately 1/3 cup of the mix. For the barbecue chicken slider, in a small bowl, add the sliced chicken breast, onion, and barbecue sauce and toss to combine. Fold sliced cheddar cheese into a roll and stuff with approximately 1/3 cup of the mix. For the veggie slider, in a medium bowl, toss the julienned eggplant, red bell pepper and onion with Italian seasoning, salt and black pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. Then saute in a medium frying pan until tender crisp. Set aside to cool and then stuff each roll with vegan or regular cheese and approximately 1/3 cup of the mix. For this recipe and more, visit ktassuperstores.com/recipes.